the solution for this example. So firstly we want the days worked. So this is going to be, because a date is a number, we can just go equals this date, just put my dollar signs on, minus the date they started working for us. I can copy it down, and we've now got the number of days. To simply work out how many years that is, I'm going to just assume I'm going to say equals however many days divided by, and we're going to use 365 days in a year. It'll tell us 4.32 years, and that'll give us the number of years. We can as well make use of the DATEDIF function. Now remember, you can't use the function wizard here, so you're just going to have to remember it. So it's DATEDIF, open brackets. We point at the start date, which is when we employed them. We point at the end date, and we need to put dollar signs because we want them all to refer here. And in this case, I'm going to put a comma, and I'm going to put in inverted commas an M for months. And you'll see it then tells us how many months between that date and this date. And similarly with years, can't use the function wizard, so we're going to use DATEDIF, open bracket, start date, comma, end date with dollar signs, comma, and inverted commas Y for year. And it will tell us how many years for each person.